Hi, my name is Aryan Chordia, and this is my 15-112 term project for fall 2018. I implemented Stick Cricket, which is a popular game on iOS and Android platforms, and my game is quite similar to Stick Cricket with some added functionality of fielders being able to throw the ball back once you hit it, and you being able to run between the wickets. So yeah, this is my main file that has most of my logic, and it inherits from all the other different classes, which is my runners class, opponents class, player class, and ball class. So here's the game. This is my intro screen. I click green to continue. First, I have to initialize the bat by clicking the up arrow and then clicking spacebar to bowl a ball. I can then swing right or left. So over there, the ball collided with the fielder and was thrown back to the wicket. Since the fielder was so close, I chose not to run between the wickets. If a fielder was a little further away or threw it back at a slower pace, I would have run between the wickets. To run between the wickets, press and hold B. To swing left and right, press the left arrow key or right arrow key after initializing the bat in the upwards position first, which you must do before you bowl every ball. To bowl a ball, press the space bar. To pause the screen at any time, press P. Pauses the screen and you can click green to continue. So yeah, as you can see, this is my score that keeps getting updated based on the velocity I hit the ball at and whether it intercepts with the fielder or not, and whether it crosses the boundary at a specific speed. I have 10 wickets and 40 balls left. I start with 42 balls. So within 42 balls and without losing all 10 of my wickets, the score to beat is 113, which is my opposition score. The opposition can be thought of as the fielders, as they have batted first and set a score, and we must try and beat that score. Yeah, I'm just going to show you a couple more hits. So now I choose to run. Unfortunately, I didn't run fast enough, and the ball reached the wicket before I did. Hence, I lost a wicket, and my score stayed the same.